Hey guys, um, so I'm back. Been busy and I've been pretty ill. So that is why I've had no videos out. So I don't know. I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna go better now. Please. Say I got better. I think I'm gonna be doing something. And also, I've got some news here. Next Wednesday, today, next Wednesday, I'm back to school. Sit on, basically. Shit. But yeah, it's like one mark there. Well, I don't know. A bit more could have been out there, look at that. Got my freckles. Wee. So, I feel a bit weird out there, but no. Yes, yeah. So, yeah. I don't know, but banana. Potato. So guys, I'll see you later. Oh what? Yeah, later.